So we explored this this hub a while ago in a previous video, and I'm now at a stage to sort of clean it up. So I'm just going to try and get in and tidy it up as best I can, get rid of some of the surface corrosion on it, wire brush the wheel rims, etc., tidy them all up, just basically giving a tidy up. I was going to be exploring replacing the the cush drive bushings, which, you know, in a perfect world should be replaced, but as it's transpired that this hub is potentially towards the end of its life, I've decided not to, and to in fact investigate and to do more to actually get a serviceable wheel made, a replacement wheel in total. So I'm just going to clean this one up in preparation for it going back on the bike, give it some love and some affection. So all I'm doing is just going to give it a degrease, tidy up, brush off, get rid of all the surface corrosion I can. So yeah, cue fast play and some funky music, eh? So I'm going to carry on clean this up. I'd love to get it all, you know, actually sandblasted or bead blasted, etc. I haven't got that facility, so I'm going to get a wire brush and give all this a good clean up. So cue fast play and some music. Hard to reach bits, little Dremel. Right, that's looking a lot better. Still got some odd patches I want to get to. Right, let's toss it over. This side a bit of a clean as well. now I'm going to get in there with some more rags, but this time with some brake and clutch cleaner. Yeah, look at that. Nasty. Possibly go wrong. Outside. Right, that's looking a lot better. The spokes are a bit rusty, so I'm going to try and deal with those a bit. One word of caution if you're using wire brushes and those kind of things, make sure no bits of wire brush have fallen down inside, which I can see they have, but we've still got a bit of cleaning to do, so I'm going to carry on with the cleaning and go from there. By the way, if you are wondering what all the bird song is, I got a clock for Christmas. And it's a bird clock, and on the hour it tweets at me. There you go. I'm not going to be able to get into here in the gap in between easily, so I'm going to leave that. But as a quick tidy up and spruce, I might have a quick go with the spokes. So yeah, I'll have a quick go with the spokes, I'll have a quick go with the rim, and then we'll come back. You don't need to see me cleaning all this kind of stuff. See you in a bit. So I've given the rim a good wire brush, and now I'm just going to paste on some of this metal polish stuff. So again, cue some music and some fast play. So some of these spokes I realised were a bit rusty, So I'm just giving them a light sanding just to sort of see how bad the actual rusting is, because if it's too bad and too much of the spoke is affected, then the spoke will fail the MOT. I don't think any of these spokes are at that point, but it doesn't harm to give it a quick rub down and get rid of some of that surface corrosion that started. I've been going for some time by the looks of some of these. So just a case of getting in there. Gone through and I've given it a good scrub. Cleaned off the aluminium, now that's nice and smooth. The push drives, yeah, I mean we've got some cracking in the rubbers here, and but you know, they're not horrifically bad falling out, falling apart. Actually after cleaning them they look a lot better than they did. The rim isn't too bad. There are some areas of rust. The chrome's obviously seen far better days, but you know, it's 40 years old, this one. So now cleaning out the brake lining, there does seem to be some few scours in there, but other than that it looks fairly clean and tidy. We've given it a measurement and we are, what's it, 0.5 of a millimetre before we hit its wear limit, so hopefully it's got a bit more life in it. So the next job for this one is to get the sprocket on and start rebuilding the brake unit for this side, and getting the swing arm in. So yeah, so probably worth leaving it there. Hope you've enjoyed this video, hope you found it useful, informative. If nothing else, following the progress of this rebuild, I'm going to tidy up my mess, and I will see you next time. Like, subscribe, comments below. Cheers, bye.